Enter for a chance to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and an artist's pad of paper. Send pictures to refrigerator123@gmail.com. Every picture is an entry, so the more pictures you send, the more of a chance you have to win. Hi everyone, welcome back to the refrigerator. Today's special guest is my friend Carrie, and she is reading from her refrigerator in Sweden.
Hi everybody, my name is Carrie Gilchrist and I'm coming to you from a really small village in Sweden called Stehag. And today I'm going to read a book called Gerald McBoing Boing. It's by Dr. Seuss. Let's see what happens. This is the story of Gerald McCoy and the strange thing that happened to that little boy. They say it all started when Gerald was 2. That's the age kids start talking. At least most of them do. Well, when he started talking, you know what he said? He didn't talk words. He went boing, boing instead. "What's that?" cried his father, his face turning gray. "That's a very odd thing for a young boy to say." And poor Gerald's father rushed to the phone and quick dialed the number of Dr. Malone. "Come over fast," the poor father pled. "Our boy can't speak words. He goes boing, boing instead." "I see," said the doctor. "It's just as you said. He doesn't speak words. He goes boing, boing instead." "I've no cure for this. I can't handle this case." And he packed up his pills and walked out of the place. Then months passed, and Gerald got louder and louder, till one day he went boom, like a big keg of powder. It was then that his father said, "This is enough! He'll drive us both mad with this terrible stuff. A boy of his age shouldn't sound like a fool. He's got to learn words. We must send him to school." So Gerald marched off, an obedient creature. But he soon was back home with a note from the teacher. "From Public School 7 to Mrs. McCloy. Your son, Gerald's a most hopeless boy. We cannot accept him, for we have a rule that pupils must not go cuckoo in our school. Your boy will go honk all his life, I'm afraid. Sincerely yours, Fanny Schultz, teacher, 1st grade." And as little Gerald grew older, he found when a fella goes BAM! No one wants him around. When a fellow goes squeak, he won't have any friends. For once he says clang, 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 all the fun ends. "Naya, Naya," they all shouted. "Your name's not McCloy. You're Gerald McOne-Boy, the noise-making boy." Poor Gerald decided that he had no place at home, in the school, in the whole human race. And so he concluded that drear and forlorn, he would just disappear in the thick of the storm. But as he was boarding a slow-moving freight, A voice from the darkness called out, "Stop, boy! Wait! Aren't you Gerald McBoing, the lad who makes squeaks? Well, my boy, I have searched for you for many long weeks. I can make you the most famous lad in the nation, for I own the Bong 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 radio station. I need a smart fellow to make all the sounds, who can bark like a dog and bay like the hounds. Your gong is terrific. Your toot is inspired. Quick, come to Bong Bong Bong, McBoing Boing, you're hired." Now his parents, proud parents, are able to boast that their Gerald's clop, clop, bang is known coast to coast. Now Gerald is rich. He has friends. He's well fed. Because he doesn't speak words. He goes boing, boing instead. The end. And now we're going to draw a little picture. What should we draw? I think that we should draw someone jumping, going boing, boing. So, this is my refrigerator. And first, I'm going to draw the jumps. Jump, jump, jump. Then I'm going to draw a person jumping. I'm going to draw a triangle for a dress, a circle for a head, a leg out jumping, 1 foot, another leg out jumping, another foot, an arm flying behind, some hair flying in the wind, I'm going to write here is my picture of one of the girls in the schoolyard with Gerald McBoing Boing. Jump, jump. I'm going to color it in later. So I hope you all had a good time and take care of yourselves and have a happy day. Bye.
Enter for a chance to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and an artist's pad of paper. Send pictures to refrigerator123@gmail.com. Every picture is an entry, so the more pictures you send, the more of a chance you have to win.